What I enjoy most about being a loan officer is helping families. And through helping families in the loan business, because that's one of the largest transactions they'll make as a family, is doing a loan. And I value that because of the trust they have in me. And what I discovered is by gaining friendship and trust with your clients, knowing that they're relying on you to handle the largest transaction of their life is a big part of your success. Well, the biggest discovery I've made of being a good boss and even a great boss is treating your employees like you want to be treated, with respect and not talking down to them. And once you gain that respect, you'll discover that they will give that back to you. They'll honor you. They won't take advantage of you. They'll work hard, and they'll treat your business like it's their business and not as an employee. Wow, the biggest discovery I made as far as the value of being a mastermind coaching member and being part of a group is the support you get from other coaching members and from your coach. And if I have any problems, any questions, it's just a phone call away of getting answers. And through that support, that has allowed me to grow faster and become a better loan officer and a better person. The biggest discovery that loan officer success has ever made is the existing GO system, which we recently revised into the ultimate mortgage marketing money-making success system. And with this system, I have been able to have better direct mail campaigns with the examples we have in the system. I've learned how to become a better expert and stand out as the obvious go-to expert in my area. And in addition to that, I've learned how to put an iron cage around my existing clients where no more they'll go to the competition. I no longer want to be seen as another head of lettuce. The first 10 years of my business, I was just a normal average loan officer who went to realtors' offices and provided rate sheets and donuts. But what I discovered quickly was by positioning myself as a local expert in my area, now I have borrowers and realtors chasing me to do business instead of me chasing them. The way I became a loan officer is a funny story. 15 years ago, I accidentally ran into a person who introduced financial services to me, considering my background was law enforcement, and immediately I knew that helping families with the biggest investment they'll ever make, and that's a loan, was a business for me. And as a result, the last 15 years, helping families, changing lives, saving families from financial disaster has been in my heart and a passion which I've loved and continue to love on a daily basis. My specialty in the loan business is helping families with credit issues. It wasn't too many years ago that my wife and I experienced credit issues ourselves. And now, since we went through that horrible period of sleepless nights and ulcers, I realized that there's a lot of pain out there with our clients. And by specializing in helping families with credit issues, I'm making an impact in their lives and helping them go from bad credit to good credit. The biggest thing I owe my success to is my parents and my upbringing with my family. I owe a lot of my success to. In addition to them, I owe a lot of success to my wife, who has supported me for the last 18 years. And if it wasn't for the support of family and friends, I would not be where I'm at today. So what I recommend is build a support group. If you don't have that, Mastermind Coaching Group will help that as well. The largest example I can think of a successful VIP member with Loan Officer Success has to be a member here in the Midwest United States. This loan officer joined VIP within the past year, and within the first 90 days he went from zero to $37,865 in revenue. Now that's coming in on a consistent basis, month in and month out. Before VIP, his family was in financial disaster, and as a result of us helping him and his family, now we have completely changed his entire financial outlook for his business and his family. One of the biggest assets of Loan Officer Success is coaching groups, is the friendships that I get to make with our members. And as a result of that, we are making large improvements in their business lives, and not only that, more importantly, in their personal lives as a result of the training and the education that we're giving them. And what I discovered by doing that for the past several years is the more you give in life, the more you receive. But the reward and the blessing is giving. One of the biggest assets that I owe my success to is being part of a mastermind coaching group and having the privilege to serve with Ken and Jessica, my partners now with Loan Officer Success. And I reflect back and look back of being part of a mastermind coaching group and the support and the availability, the friendship. I owe all of my success to that coaching group and what I achieved more in that 3-year window I was a coaching member than the previous 15 years I was in the loan officer business.